In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload comics to Google Play Books. To start, you'll first need to have your comics file ready. Most comic books usually come in CBZ or CBR file formats. For example, here I have a file in CBZ format. However, you cannot directly upload CBZ or CBR files to Google Play Books. You'll need to convert these files into either PDF or EPUB format first. Open any browser on your computer and search for CBZ to PDF. You'll see many online converter websites. Pick any one of them, then click on Select File. Locate your CBZ or CBR file on your PC, select it, and hit Open. After that, click on the Convert button. Once the file is uploaded and completely converted, you'll see a PDF version of your comic. Click on the Download option and wait for it to finish downloading to your device. Now that you have your comic in PDF format, open a new browser tab and search for Google Play Books. Click on the first link, which will take you to the main Google Play Books page. At the top, click on Your Library. This will open your personal library page. It's essential to do all of these steps on a computer because the upload option does not appear on mobile devices, even if you use a desktop site view on your phone. Once on your library page, click on Upload Files. Then click on Browse, locate the PDF file you just converted, and select it. Wait for the upload and processing to complete. Once done, your comic will be visible in your Google Play Books library on your computer and will also appear in the Google Play Books app on your mobile device. This is how you can upload and enjoy your comics through Google Play Books.